Good morning everyone. So we are here at the TikTok meetup, and of course we have our bottle of burger sauce. Why not? But it is fantastic to be here. It is absolutely awesome. I can't wait to spend the entire day with everyone enjoying trains and visiting the sights and sounds that we are seeing. Both of us here, myself and Dee. And if you guys are here and you're watching this, then please do come and say hello. It'd be awesome. And if you want photos with Francis, by all means ask. Once we detrained at St Pancras International off the High Speed 1 service that we boarded, we had a look around the station and saw some of the amazing statues and scenery that's at St Pancras International Station. If you are thinking about travelling up to anywhere beyond London and you have a train from Euston, I would recommend travelling into St Pancras because it has some fantastic scenery and awesome architecture from a former Cathedral of the Railways. Our next stop was Euston train station, where we caught the Pendolino service from Avanti West Coast on the Blackpool Bell up to Birmingham New Street. When we arrived at Birmingham New Street, we then made our way past the Mechanical Bull and over towards Birmingham Snow Hill station. When we arrived at Snow Hill, we found this awesome statue that is coming up on the screen now. I don't know any history on it. If anyone does, please do let me know on that. Once we caught our train, seen here at Snow Hill, we then travelled to Kidderminster and arrived ready for the Severn Valley Railway. When we arrived in Kidderminster, we was a couple of days early before the event, so we took the opportunity to have a quick break from all the travelling and enjoy the view of Kidderminster Steam Railway Station. I'm going to leave you with some images from the event itself and a couple of videos taken throughout the day, and I will be back with some more information shortly. But before we crack on, as it were, I'd just like to say a big thank you for the Severn Valley Railway holding the event as well, and to Andy Miller for planning the event itself. His links will be in the description below for TikTok, and also all the other creators that came along. Just use the hashtag SVR Meetup and you'll see all of our videos on TikTok. But also I'd like to make a point right now while we're talking about the railway to speak about the landslip that happened between Hampton Road and Bridge North just after Christmas. Now I know this has affected the railway itself pretty badly, and I know that if it was on another railway they would need a lot more help. But if you would like to help the Severn Valley Railway, there is a link in the description below to help them with their future fund, so that helps towards the maintenance of the railway and locomotives and things like that. Now, without further ado, let's get to the important part, which is the pictures and videos from the TikTok Meetup 2025. Now, I wonder if anyone watching can tell me if they remember this TV series. This is, of course, the famous Hatley station in the BBC TV series Oh Dr. Beeching, filmed at Arley on the Severn Valley Railway. I can almost hear Jack now standing on the platform going, "Hatley, Hatley, Hatley, change here for Boston and Wanstead." Good memories. Now, back to some more images. Soon we arrived at Highley for our visit to the engine house and a look round the Royal Saloon, which will be in the next batch of pictures for everyone to see. Now, some of the pictures you're going to see shortly I've been taken by my beautiful wife-to-be, Deanna, who is in the shot now, and some of them were taken by myself. So those by Deanna will have copyright in the bottom corner. after our journey down to Bewdley, our next stop was the diesel depot, where we was going to get a tour around Kidderminster's diesel depot and see a few of the collection that's not always on display.